Today's video is perfect for condo owners or buyers, as I'm going to be talking about special assessments, what they are, why they happen, and how much you have to pay. So quite simply, a special assessment is an order to the condo owners to pay the condo corporation money to deal with some kind of issue. It's essentially a financial levy, and it can come in the form of a lump sum payment or regular payments that the condo owners would need to make on top of their regular maintenance fees. And a special assessment being levied, it does not necessarily require the permission of the owners for it to be implemented. A condo's bylaws may have rules about special assessments and may contain provisions about getting input from the owners, but it varies from building to building. Now, all condo owners pay maintenance fees regularly, so why would you ever need to pay extra? Clearly, the condo board needs money, and that could happen for a few different reasons. Firstly, a major expense could happen unexpectedly. A recent engineer's report might say that a boiler needs to be replaced in 3 years, but something goes wrong and it needs to be replaced now. It's also possible that the boiler does make it all the way to the end of its life expectancy, but when it comes time to replace it, the job is way more costly than anticipated. There's always the chance that a building gets involved in a lawsuit and loses the judgment. Payment for that judgment can't come out of the reserve funds, so if the operating budget can't absorb the costs, then a special assessment may be triggered. So how does how much you as a condo owner pay get determined? It works the same way as your maintenance fees, which you pay on a per square foot basis. Essentially, there will be a total lump sum that needs to go towards this kind of issue that needs to be rectified. And every condo owner will pay a percentage based on how much space they own within the building. Getting the news about a special assessment is not fun, and that's why it's critical for buyers to inspect the status certificate of a building before finalizing their purchase, and for condo owners to ensure that they're paying attention to decisions made by the condo board about expenditures, the operating budget, and cash reserves. If you have any questions about special assessments, status certificates, buying or selling a condo, please feel free to reach out to me directly. I'm Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.